Hello, Miss Michelle Desa. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, sir and madam. My name is Michelle Rafalis Desa, 47 years old, a single mother, blessed of one son. He is now 13 years old. I'm studied taking of associate in computer science. I am second year college. I have experience in the Philippines in Qatari ambassador as a cook. I cook some food dishes, Mexican and Asian food.
How about in other country? What will
And also I have experience in Kuwait for almost 3 years, taking care of newborn baby, 3 years old and 4 years old. I do household duties, cleaning, ironing, washing, marketing, and also the newborn baby sleep with me. And then the 4 years old starting to study in the kindergarten, and sometimes if I have extra time, I do basic tutor only for alphabet and drawing. And also I have experience in Dubai, UAE for almost 6 years in only one company, but I am waitress and sales and cashier. Also, I have experience in Azerbaijan for almost 2 years as a nanny for a 1-year-old baby girl. 3 adult, 61 and 62 years old, and 32 years old mother, single mother.
Okay, since you have experience in taking care of babies, what will you do if the baby don't want to stop crying?
First, maybe I check the height if they have temperature, and check the tummy and give the feeds if maybe it's hungry, and check the diaper also, maybe full of wet of, and there is maybe full.
Okay, can you sing a simple lullaby for her?
A, B, C, Z, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, very good. Thank you.